Amazon stock surged 15% after hours following Q2 revenue of $206 billion and AWS growth reaching a 36.7% increase. The stock closed at $271.58, up from a recent low of $226.65. Analysts have a mean target of $313.07, with a 15.28% gap from the last close. Amazon's business is driven by e-commerce, Oz, and advertising. E-commerce accounts for 65% of revenue, Oz for 25%, and advertising for 10%. The company serves both consumers and businesses, with AWS being a major growth driver. Amazon reported Q2 revenue of $206 billion, up 20% year-over-year. Operating income reached $27.5 billion, with a 13.1% operating margin. AWS revenue grew 36.7%, and the company guided for continued strong performance in the second half of the year. Despite strong results, Amazon's forward P/E of 27.35 and $220 billion in capital spending raise concerns. The analyst target gap of 15.28% suggests room for growth, but AWS's 36.7% growth and 13.1% operating margin highlight both strength and potential overextension. Amazon generates strong cash flow with $27.5 billion in operating income and maintains liquidity of $100 billion. The company has a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.3 and has committed $50 billion to OpenAI, while also spending $220 billion on capital projects. The strongest evidence for Amazon's upside is its AWS growth of 36.7% and a 13.1% operating margin. However, the $220 billion in capital spending and a 15.28% analyst target gap raise concerns about overextension and valuation. A bear scenario would see Amazon's $220 billion in capital spending weigh on margins. A base case assumes $27.5 billion in operating income and stable AWS growth. A bull case hinges on AWS growth of 36.7% and rising AI demand. The next catalyst is likely AI demand and AWS performance in the second half of the year.